What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're about to be preventing another yard from flooding by extending out their downspouts and their sump pumps. So let's get right into it. All right, rule number one, before ever digging, always have your mark out. You see the mark out has been done. Everything is good. I'm going to be running the downspouts on the back right of the house, all the way down the side, come between this fence here, come through, tie this one into it, pick it up, and take this one out here to the curb. On the other side of the house, we're going to be doing the opposite. Since they have the trees in the way, I can't do my normal go straight to the curb, so we'll be taking this to the back. I'll be picking up this downspout in the front left, going down, picking up the sump pump line right here, going down, getting that downspout in the corner, coming across, and then going all the way out behind the fence over there. So let's get started. All right, and now I have the left side of the house dug. Goes out under the fence, comes down. This downspout, everything's gonna go that way. Starting from the front downspout. Over here, we're starting that downspout, come down, 90 around, come under the fence, come down, tee the sump pump straight into it. As you see, it's already been flowing and everything is going the way it's supposed to go. We're going to tie this into it, come down here, tie this downspout into it, and then everything's going to end with a pop-up over there on the other side of the fence. Now to pipe it up. Always remember, when installing downspouts, okay, when you have the pop-ups, please get the spring loaded to make sure that this goes up and down only when there's pressure behind it, so that when you run over it with a lawnmower, it won't break it. So spring loaded. Drill holes in your 90, okay? You might buy those ones that have that little slit that goes in here. Guess what? That thing's useless. Do not get that at all. If you do get it, please still end up drilling some holes anyways. And then always make the burrito wrap. Get the filter cloth, put it down first, put some rock in there, so that way you have a mini dry well, and then you go ahead and burrito wrap it over. So that way all that will stay nice and clean for as long as possible. Then you go ahead and you can backfill everything in there. Put this on there, and voila, that's it. That's exactly how you do your pop-ups, okay? Do it correctly the first time, otherwise you're gonna regret it and cause other problems. All right, and here's the front left of the house. Everything's completely piped up. As you see, we start out over downhill to level. Goes down, 90s all the way, and go around to the other side. All right, now we're on the other side of the fence. See, we're downhill to level here. Picks up the sump pump. We continue going all the way down. Extremely downhill to level over here. From all that, go down here, pick up this downspout, have it curve. Extremely downhill to level here. So as it goes over here to the corner, we're still extremely downhill to level, all the way down to where the pop-up and burrito wrap are, down here at the end, right there on the other side of the fence. But up until the fence, we are still completely downhill to level. Now to backfill, show you how that side works. And here's the right side of the house. Starting in the back, we are downhill to level here. Keep it going all the way down to the corner down here where we're still downhill to level. 90 around this. We go around. We're right above the cable and, or I'm sorry, the electric and gas line. Put this down here. We're downhill to level here. But as soon as everything hits that corner right there, it's just gonna start shooting, jetting real fast. We got that downspout hooked up into it. Everybody's gonna come down and shoot drastically all the way to the end. But you have all this downhill to level. Everything shoots under the sidewalk. Facilitate down here to where the burrito wrap is. Now to backfill. Show you. Here we go. We're gonna do the right side first. Put it in the farthest one, which is in the back on this side. Water comes all the way down. Keep coming down. Underneath everything, ties in with this downspout. Still making the grass look nice. It's gonna come all the way down here at the end. Facilitate up. Come out, pop out, build up, and then go down to the nearest storm drain, which is down that way. Obviously, when this is raining, and you have actual more head pressure instead of the hose pressure, it'll be popping up just like that. Everything coming out. And since we have the holes and everything drilled in the bottom, that way when there's no more head pressure to build up, it'll be able to drain back into the ground. Now to do the left side. And then for the left side of the house, since it's going out the back, we put it in the front downspout. And it's gonna go down, go all the way down, picking up the sump pump, all the way out to the back. In fact, this should be going so well that the water should already be there by the time I get back there. This one's already done. Now I'm going all the way back here. Got all the grass back down. Everything looks like I wasn't here before. Got everything down back here. There's the pop-up and where we're gonna have everything coming out of. See, the water is already down here. See the holes right here. So as it's trying to build up, it's also trying to drain in the ground at the same time. So now when the ground can no longer hold anymore, then it'll be able to build up the rest of the way, pop up, come out, facilitate all over here to the ground, all behind them. And here we go. Now it facilitates out, rolls over all the ground, and it'll be able to water all this grass. And it's over here next to the one I did for the neighbor the week prior. So the fact that they have no sprinklers or anything out here, well, at least behind their area, this place will get all nice and wet, and hopefully we'll be able to keep the grass going. This is how you prevent water from flooding your yard, by extending out your downspouts. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, and until the next one.